kids.
Are you ready to learn about the science of shortening?
Yeah! My name is Gavin M.
My name is Gianna.
Mine is Gavin.
And mine is Alexandra, but you can call me Alex.
Well, shortening is ingredients such as butter, shortening, and oils. It is any fat that is solid.
Why is it called shortening? It is called shortening because it shortens the formation of gluten when we are making baked goods with flour.
Remind me again, what's gluten?
Gluten is a protein consisting of a mixture of glutein and gliadin. When water and flour come together, gluten is formed.
Have you ever poured oil in the water? See how it doesn't mix automatically? That's because fat is hydrophobic.
Hydrophobic. It means that fat repels water. So the water doesn't activate the proteins and the gluten doesn't form as quick. That's why the bread or pasta you're making is softer and tender. Here's an interesting fact. Shortening was actually invented by a man named William Norman. He got a patent in hydrogenated fat in 1902.
Hydro what now? That's not the same as the word you used before. Before it was phobic, like phobia. The word is different.
Hydrogenated. You're right, Gavin. Both words start with hydro. And both ideas work with the atom hydrogen. In the word, speaking of shortening as hydrophobic, it repels water, which is one hydrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. But hydrogenated is when you add hydrogen to fat.
Another German chemist, Edwin Kaiser, moved to Cincinnati. He went to a company called Procter & Gamble. They took his idea and made it into Crisco.
My mother has created Crisco. It's hardened oil.
Oh! Shortening! Right, because it is hydrogenated.
Vegetable shortening was inexpensive. Shortening is also required no refrigeration, which further lowered its cost and increased its appeal.
So we add shortening to the flour to show the formation of gluten. We are learning more about the science of baking.
What type of shortening actually makes a really good experiment to try at home? Make the same recipe with two different types of shortening. Which one tastes better to you?
Stay tuned for more videos.
Yay! And remember, play with your food! Stay tuned for the bloopers.
Yes.
It's still rolling. You can't be doing that.
It feels like butter. Like it
Oh my gosh.
feels like butter.
Pour it all in.
No, don't pour it all
How
in.
about we pour different ones in?
I made that example already.
How about we pour like
Fat is hydrophobic, we know.
How about we put different ones in it and see what it does? I want to do this one.